Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Amelia. For years, I've worked with men dealing with performance-related issues, a topic that many still find difficult to discuss openly. But today, I want to share something that combines ancient Eastern wisdom with modern medical understanding, a natural approach that helps enhance vitality, stamina, and overall confidence. You see, many men think that pills or supplements are the only answer. Yet few realize that the human body already holds its own tools for recovery and strength. These tools lie within our body's pressure points, specific zones that, when gently stimulated, can restore energy flow, balance hormones, and improve circulation in the reproductive system. This technique isn't new. It dates back thousands of years in Chinese medicine, where practitioners discovered how certain areas of the body could influence not only muscles or organs, but also emotional balance and energy levels. Today, we have modern science to explain what ancient healers already knew, that stimulating these points activates nerves, improves blood flow, and triggers the body's own healing response. Now, I want to share the story of one of my patients, Richard. Richard is a 62-year-old retired engineer, active, intelligent, but deeply frustrated. He came to my clinic feeling defeated, saying, "Doctor, my body doesn't respond the way it used to. I've tried everything. Nothing seems to help." I listened carefully and told him, "Richard, your issue isn't just physical, it's energetic. Your body's natural pathways are blocked." I introduced him to a simple daily self-massage routine based on ancient acupressure techniques. No drugs, no special equipment, just consistent, mindful stimulation of certain key points. Within 2 weeks, Richard came back smiling. He told me, "I don't know what's happening, but I feel alive again. My sleep is better, my energy is up, and my confidence is back." His results weren't magic. They were simply his body reactivating its natural flow of energy and circulation. So today, I'll guide you through those exact same points that helped Richard, and many other men, regain their balance and confidence naturally. Now that we understand how energy flow affects male performance and vitality, let's explore the 6 key acupressure points you can use every day to naturally restore strength, improve blood circulation, and support hormonal balance. These points are easy to locate, completely safe, and can be stimulated anytime, morning or evening, as part of your daily wellness routine. The first point is known as the Sea of Vitality. You can find it on your lower back, roughly 2 finger widths away from the spine, in line with your navel. When these points are massaged gently, they help strengthen the kidneys and lower back muscles, both essential for stamina and endurance. Use your thumbs to apply gentle pressure in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. You'll feel warmth spreading across your lower back. That's your energy channels opening up. Next is the rushing door point, located about 4 finger widths above the top of the inner thigh, near the groin area. This point directly stimulates blood flow to the reproductive organs and helps maintain healthy function. Use your fingertips to apply light, rhythmic pressure for about 30 seconds on each side. You'll notice a sense of relaxation spreading through your pelvis. That's improved circulation at work. Our third point is called the crooked bone point. It's located right above the pubic bone, in the middle of the lower abdomen. Gently massage this area with 2 or 3 fingers, making small circular motions. This point helps stimulate reproductive energy, strengthens pelvic muscles, and supports hormonal balance. It's one of the key areas for restoring vitality and confidence in men. Now, move down to your legs. The 3-mile point is found 4 finger widths below your kneecap, on the outer side of your shin bone. Massage it using circular thumb pressure for about 1 minute. This point is known to boost overall energy, improve digestion, and enhance endurance. In traditional Chinese medicine, it's often called the longevity point, a natural energy booster for the entire body. Our 5th point lies right at the base of your skull, where your neck meets the head. This is called the gate of consciousness. Massaging this area helps release tension, improve blood flow to the brain, and reduce stress, a key factor in male performance and hormonal health. Press gently in a circular motion using both thumbs for 30-60 seconds. You'll feel instant relaxation spreading down your shoulders and spine. Finally, we have the sacral points, located along the lower spine just above the tailbone. You can gently press these points using your fingers, or place a tennis ball under your lower back and slowly roll over it. This simple movement improves pelvic circulation, relieves tension, and restores nerve function in the lower body, all vital for long-term male vitality. By combining these 6 points, you're activating the body's natural energy grid, improving blood flow, hormone regulation, and muscular balance. And the best part? You don't need medication or expensive equipment, just your hands and a few minutes each day. Now that you've learned where these 6 points are and how to stimulate them, let's put it all together into a simple daily routine you can follow. One that takes less than 10 minutes a day, but can make a remarkable difference in your energy, confidence, and overall performance. Start your day with a few deep breaths to relax your body and focus your mind. Then, follow this sequence. C of Vitality. Gently press for 1 minute to awaken kidney energy and boost stamina. Rushing Door Point. Apply light pressure for 30 seconds on each side to improve circulation in the pelvic region. Crooked Bone Point. Massage in slow circles for about 1 minute to strengthen your core energy. 3 Mile Point. Use firm thumb pressure for 60 seconds to refresh energy and improve endurance. Gate of Consciousness. Massage for 30 seconds to release stress and improve mental focus. Sacral Points. Finish by gently rolling on a tennis ball or pressing these points to ease tension and restore balance. Most people start to feel subtle improvements within 1 to 2 weeks. Better sleep, calmer mind, and improved focus. By the 3rd or 4th week, many notice a renewed sense of confidence, stronger energy levels, and overall balance in daily life. Remember, consistency is key. It's not about how long you do it, it's about doing it regularly, with awareness and care. For best results, combine this routine with simple, healthy habits. Stay hydrated, maintain balanced nutrition, get enough sleep, move your body daily. Even if it's just a walk, your body is designed to heal itself. These points simply help activate that natural ability. If you practice these techniques every day, you'll begin to reconnect with your body's natural rhythm and strength. You'll feel calmer, more confident, and in control, not because of any medication, but because you learned how to work with your body, not against it. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who might need it. Remember, true vitality begins with balance, awareness, and care.